One Akwa Ibom student don't come outside say he wan sue in school because of say wetin, say they give an expulsion, abi na expulsion and they carry give am. Say make him no come school again. Now wow, school go just decide they give mumu law for no reason. They say this student na level 500 students from Akwa Ibom University, na the school where this boy they go, and him name na Aproko in your bunk na him be name. They say they sue this pikin because of say wetin. The boy they post things for him Facebook page. Now there they come say they won't give him suspension and subsequent expulsion. And not be today they don't give him this one. No. Say every time now they always expel this boy, they suspend them. Say because of what this boy go write something put for him Facebook page. Maybe if the school know they align with this kind of thing, they go vex, suspend them. This boy they talk an agricultural engineering student, and before they don't suspend them for 2020, that one for September, and they suspend them. Now this new suspension where they can't give them, they give them because of say waiting. He criticized the state governor, where he name na Emmanuel Udom. He criticized him for Facebook. I can't be surprised. So school management, on I no get work. Una don't use less reach this level where we say now people Facebook page una go they manage. When I go manage school, una go sit down. They monitor person Facebook posts. If you post in girlfriend, una go comment say okay, this one I don't post this one. I go push off. What's it concern una? Una they say where I'm about they lead people into. Now I can't decide say because this boy talk bad about the state governor. So people now no get right to talk about their own governor again. Person no get right now to write say okay, my governor no do well. I mean my governor do this one to me. I can't write and put for my Facebook. Some people say this kind of things where they write. Now just play. Because of this one now in the school can't decide say they won't sack him. On I say on a joblessness. Because if say this school gets work, I'm not sure say na go they think I say na person Facebook post now won't go they check. Students make a reason no. Now they don't they check people Facebook post for any mumu thing. You figure enter school one day now they go just talk say your Facebook picture you know fine, so they need to give you scholarship. So making a day careful, no waiting I go they post when Facebook this thing. And they talk say this boy he don't already ready. In fact, he don't even mean this school. Then I then go call in lawyer. Say okay, himself wants to this school because of say wetin they no even like. You know say normally if you do something bad they go call you say student disciplinary committee come face them, come talk what you do. They say they never even tell this boy anything. They never even go meet and say okay now because of this thing now you do. They just carry letter, expulsion letter and give them say they won't suspect that because of say wetin he writes bad about government. So the boy getting right. In fact, this boy thank you. I applaud them because now one of these people now go feel stand up. Say as person stand up, they fail school. You say now some people now they go don't even accept and like go sit down for house. But how person go pay school fees from level 100 or reach 500? Now school will come and say because he post this one and I won't compete and I won't expel him. For which reason? This one are rubbish. If say the governor they do well, I know sure say person go come out and say they won't come write bad about you. Now because the boy know say you know they do well. Now they can say right in mind, and if say you don't even do well, now the boy in mind, everybody gets their own right to write within their wish. Now make now social media, anything where person feel, now him feel right. And I not sure say law even they say if person post bad thing they go arrest you. You know they for Nigeria. So now which kind of thing come be this one? And they say we are 419 day for this kind of country. Now I don't know say crime. To even post something now don't turn to crime. But if now politician do 419 inside election, they not go say him to be crime. In fact, it's legal. They go say him to be good thing. But this boy now we just write one simple post. They don't see him as bad thing. They won't call expel him. In fact, I wish say other lawyers go join hand with this boy, fight for this boy. Because I know say this place now a big school. So themselves they will go gather all their best lawyers won't come face this boy. They're not supposed to even suspend them because the matter no even reach anything where relate to suspension. What did he do? Not be saying kill lecturer. You know fight lecturer, you know beat lecturer. Say I write something. Now I can't turn all this kind of big wahala. Now wow, people they really see things. People where they inside school. It means say on an eye they see things. If person go just do this kind of small thing, on I know how many people they could even suspend because of this kind of matter. On I know be a person could even write one kind of small thing about the lecturer before we go see lecturer don't suspend them. On I they see all this kind fake teachers and lecturers where they around. Management self can't decide. On I even get time, sit down, do meeting, say because of say this, what is this boy? What did they even para me say? Now the time where they get, what they reach this boy post. Say for in Facebook. On a note say the boy even write and say okay, in the right exam, he can write something about the minister inside in paper. Facebook wey be say na him open him account. If say him come use another name they put for that Facebook account nko, I na one thing no say na him. Now they see all these our people, make na dey careful. All these our leaders, they just they find means to just they pursue students in illegit reasons. And maybe this thing where this boy right, he paying the governor. Now the governor now I can't give this school authority say if they don't pursue the boy, maybe you know go to support the school again. Now make the school self come decide say they must pursue the boy because of say it's just benefit where they gain from this kind of thing. I make they do this kind of one. My people, when I see what's in they happen inside Nigeria every day, new news. Mumu news now go just they come outside. I hear this one, I can't make a cocoa bring and come. Making myself just now, yeah, waiting they happen inside Akwa Ibom. Anything where I feel, making I don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Making I don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video.